Brand new Tesla. It's an electric car. Look how beautiful that is. Beautiful. With the Tesla badge, it's now the most valuable car company in America, exceeding Ford and GM. What a sweetie. We're working on the rail here. Got the pieces there. There's an ugly weld, but we had to fix the stinger. I got some pieces for that. The stinger. Getting a new one. Doing all this railing. This stuff down, that's the top piece right there. Check out this new building, guys. It's a monster. Up on the roof. Got a little garden on the roof here. Pretty nice. Putting up gates again, so getting this piece in, and once we fix the welder, we'll be welding it together. That's it. You can go up over the side of the building. That's your gear. Doing a lot of new building here. Phew. And up there, the Chrysler building you can see, and also you can see that's Midtown, 42nd Street area. That's the telephone relay building. Welding with this, that's a cutting, acetylene cutting mask. He was welding with stick. I wonder if he's blind now. Out on the roof in the city, and I'll show you what we're doing. Get this piece all in here. Let me flip this around for y'all. I have to stop it, show a different video here, but you can see it right here. This is all fabricated. Had to weld it up top and down below. And right now, behind me, you can see I'm smoothing up all the joints, and got a nice little feature I want to show you right here. Right down here, right here, I got a nice little. Do you see that? Bring these down, and I'm welding them. I don't know if you can see it. I can't see the screen at all, but yeah, welding these pieces to cover the ends. I got a few to go in around the edge here. That's what's going on. Real beautiful. Little welding on the roof on an April day here in New York City. The phone, the phone, the phone, the phone. Check out this cheese, boys. That's a lot of cheese. It's all the cheese you could ever want. That's called a cheese log right there. Look at that cheese, guys. Holy cow. Now that's my hand, right? That's how big that cheese is. That's an awful lot of cheese. Pounds and pounds of cheese. If you want salami, we got salami. Oh, look at that. Or pork loin, I'm sorry. Huge, man. Delicious. Got a few things in here. Sweet. Got little cheeses here.